Kasey, and we are going to curl her hair. So we're going to take a section. The new hairspray that I have is amazing. The reason being is before I've never sprayed a hairspray to curl hair. Usually it's too sticky and it's just ugh. So this hairspray, it holds, but it's very light. So that's what I love about it. So we are curling with the hairspray. I'm taking the curling wand. I stick it like upside down like this, and then I go away from the face. Now I'm going to come back. This is obviously shorter, so I'll come back and grab that. Okay, so I let it sit for a sec, and then you can just hold it and let it dry, but I'm just going to let that sit on her shoulder. Not dry, cool. It's already dry, I mean cool. You got me, right? Okay, now I'm going to take another section. Just going to spray it. Okay, now I come back with this one. Now I want to go forward with this one. Let me do that one more time. Okay, now I'm just going to hold it. That's why I have my glove on. Just going to hold it for a second. Okay, then I'm going to let that go. Same thing, I'm just going to let that rest on her shoulder there for a sec. Okay, so did the first one back, that one forward. Now I'm going to go back with this one. Again, I'm going to spray it. You guys will see how soft it is after I let it dry. She has really long hair too, so if I have to go back through and curl the ends a tiny bit, I will, just in case it doesn't get all the way on those bottoms, but we'll see. Okay, so after and you guys can see how that just kind of, it comes off, so it's very soft. It's not sticky. It's not sticking at all. Okay, and then this piece. So I went in, now I'm going to come back this way. So what I'm saying is I'm doing every other curl the opposite way. So if you go back, then you're going to curl this way. I just love the way it looks. I know Deanne does her hair that way and it looks really pretty. Some like to do it all the way back. That's great. But I love to switch it up, just every other one. Okay, so you just pull that out. Just kind of let that sit and let it dry. Not dry, cool. So I'm taking pretty big sections. Not huge, but pretty big. Okay, I went back with that one, so now I'm going to come forward with this one. And hold that on there for a minute. Thank goodness for these gloves, right? Okay, then I'll come back and do that front piece again, the little pieces. And you can see, you guys, this doesn't take that long. And her hair is super long. And it really doesn't take that much. And if you have time, you can just sit there and let it cool like that in your hand, like hold it up. Okay, now I'm going back away from her face now this one, I'm going to spray that and I'm going to curl away from her face. Now with the color melt, you guys, you can see the color melt, it just, when you curl it, you can just see it a lot better. It just makes it so nice. Okay, now I'm just going to take my fingers and come through this. But look at that. I mean, so we curled it with the hairspray, but I can just take my fingers through it, and it's really, really soft. Oops, sorry. As I said that, I get a little kink, sorry. Okay, and we're just going to leave hers down and soft. Let me just turn it so you can see. And you guys can see how that color, it just shows it off more when it's curled. So, anyway, all right. Okay, that was fun. Didn't take long. Just take a little bit of hairspray and then I'll just spray it a little throughout and then she will be set. So, thanks you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you have a phenomenal day. And please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, if you want one of those epic brushes, they're at the bottom of our page, the link. So anyway, let me turn you around. All right. Okay, there we go. Have a good day, guys. See ya.